Have you ever had this problem? You try to print a regular document from Linux and nothing prints even though the printer shows up in your list of printers. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got my HP LaserJet M209dw printer working on Linux using driverless printing. My printer isn't officially supported by HPLIP, so I had to use IPP, the Internet Printing Protocol, to make it work. I'll explain every command I used and what happened after each one. lpadmin is the command to manage printers in CUP's common Unix printing system. The X option removes a printer. Here, I'm deleting any previous configuration for my HP LaserJet M209dw so I can start fresh. Next, I added the printer using IPP everywhere. After this command, the printer is added and enabled. This sets the printer's name to HP LaserJet M209dw D38566. This enables the printer immediately. This is the printer's IPP URI. It tells CUPS to talk to the printer over the network using IPP. To find your printer's IP address, print an information report. If you don't know how to do this, refer to my video titled HP LaserJet M209dw, How to Print Printer Reports and Access the Embedded Web Server. Finally, we get to the magical part. This uses the driverless printing model called Everywhere, which works with most modern printers that support IPP. This line restarts the CUPS service. CUPS is the printing system on Linux. Restarting it makes sure the new printer configuration is loaded properly. This line checks printer status. lpstat lists printers and their status. P shows all printers. D shows the default printer. Notice that it says no system default destination. For this reason, we use the following command to set the default printer. This makes your HP LaserJet the default printer, so you don't have to specify it every time you print. After checking printer status again, I can see I now have a default printer. At this point I performed a test print. LP sends a file to the printer. Here, I printed a file just as a quick test. The printer spat out a page, so I knew I was good to go. Next, I performed a little more housekeeping. First, I removed duplicate printer entries. Sometimes CUPS auto-discovers printers and creates extra entries. I removed the duplicate to keep things clean. Then I disabled CUPS Browsed. CUPS Browsed automatically adds network printers, which can cause duplicates. Disabling and stopping it prevents that from happening. The last thing I did was remove an older printer named MG2500 series. I did not take a screenshot, but this is what it looked like. I used this line to remove it, and performed a status check to confirm it had been removed. Now I don't see this printer in my list anymore.